Hi guys, back with a new video, and this is the second part of the freezer phase 4 transformation video. This statue is from Brotherhood 3D Studio, and now here I'm gonna use this off-white gray color for the base color. I really like this as a replacement for white as much as I can. It's a really nice color as well. And now here you can see I'm going with a gentle light coat just to make sure that the paint goes everywhere. And on the second coat I'm gonna go a little bit more heavy-handed. I'm not using zenithal highlights for the reason that I'm going heavier coats, so the zenithal highlights will be lost. This way I'm putting down the base color usually really more heavier on the second coat. Now eventually for the next couple of months I'm gonna do all 4 phases of the freezer transformations. I hope you check them out, and I hope you're enjoying them as well as much as I do painting them up. These statues are really cool, and if you're interested, just check them out, Brotherhood 3D Studio on Instagram or Discord. Now, I'm not sponsored or anything by them. I just really like the sculpts and I just wanted to put it out there. I don't know how many people know about them, but they are really good guys and they are making some awesome statues. And now with my favorite bluing, I'm gonna do some of the deepest parts of his muscles. So I'm gonna do all the shadows. Now here try to go thin as possible with the shadows. If you do a little bit more mistake, it's no problems. You can always come back with the base color and just thin down a little bit the lines so they're not that obvious. And now here with this black marker, I'm just gonna do all the scratch, the damage marks on his body. Now these scratch and damage marks are all sculpted in, so you can follow those ones, or you can add a couple of them or do less if you want. If you don't have a marker and you can use the paintbrush if you want, and then just do fine lines. It's up to you. You don't have to use a marker if you don't have one. And now here with this black, I'm just gonna do his nails on his hand and his feet. Just simple black, keep it simple. And now with this contrast purple, I'm gonna start doing the base of the translucent parts. And later on I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do on the bottom a more darker one, because when I put in the pieces they were a little bit too translucent, so you can't see the keys, so it took away a little bit from the statue. Now it came up a little bit darker as I would like it in the end, but at least I cannot see the keys as much anymore, so that's a bonus. And now here is this purple ink that I'm using just on the edge of the translucent parts, just to give it a little bit of depth to it, and then I'm gonna do it on the back side as well, so it's covering up a little bit of the keys, so it's not that obvious. As you can see here in this video, I'm just brushing on the back side of the parts, so they're not as translucent. And now here I'm going to use this peach ink to do his energy ball, so I'm going to cover up all of it in this nice ink. Now he has a second effect as well. He has the disc, that's why his right hand it's not glued in. I'm going to paint up that as well, and I'm going to do a follow-up video. I have a couple of projects in mind for a specific video. It will be called how to upgrade your statues if you want to do something down the line, change something out.
In the heart of creation where dreams get real, Brotherhood 3D Studio got that epic appeal. Crafting with finesse, models can't conceal.
And now with this purple ink I'm just gonna do and give it a little bit of the sculpt inside, a little bit of a different shade.
Figures come alive with each skillful hand. Brotherhood 3D's molding visions fresh across the land. Each detail tight more than you could plan. Here we make dreams with a flair so grand. At Brotherhood 3D where magic unfolds, unique creations break out of the mold. Epicity shines like purest of gold.
Now here I'm gonna use this white ink to do some of the top parts of the effect. Now what I did here, I didn't clean out my airbrush before with the purple that I had in it, so it's not a clear white. So now here I'm gonna clean out my airbrush, pour white in it, so that will make even brighter. So I made it like a little bit to blend in. Now here guys, I let you enjoy these pictures. The statue came out really amazing. I'm really liking it. It's one of my favorite freezers, and again I'm gonna do all of them. So it's a big diorama of all 4 transformations. So check in and check it out if you enjoyed.
Unparalleled skill, unmatched in the scene. Brotherhood's where the artistry's keen. Surprises at every turn like a dream. Imagination rides on a glittery beam. Creations break out of the mold. Equity shines like pure stone. purest of golds in our studio.